Do it. Do the thing. I love it! Well, it's an exciting day. I did it again. I bought another car. This is my 95 Miata, which I'm naming Mercy because she was merciful getting home. I'll get to that. I'm pretty excited about it. It's got 176,000 miles, and we're probably going to get started with the big issue, which is, of course, the rear differential. Now, I knew it had this issue when I bought it, but you can see it's sitting cockeyed there. Not good. It's dripping fluid, but I'm going to get a new cover, and that's how we're going to deal with that situation. Probably do a whole rebuild on the rear. Of course, it's stick shift because I wouldn't have had it any other way. You know, I never really thought I'd like a low-to-the-ground, light little car, but after driving this thing, the 70 or so miles we got at home, I freaking love it. Interior's all there. They took good care of it. It's black, which is fine by me. The window has a kind of doesn't want to go down all the way, so we got to look into the regulator, but little things like that you'd expect from a car like this. Anyway, let's have a look under the hood. There is the powerhouse. It's the 1.8 liter, which is supposed to be a pretty strong motor. This thing ran great. I didn't have any issues with it. It never sputtered. The exhaust is busted, but I kind of knew that going in, so it's not a big deal. I'll probably do all the fluids just to be safe. I'm pretty sure it needs an oil change. The sticker says 2014. I can only hope that that isn't the last time it had an oil change, but either way, we're putting new oil in it. It's got some old nasty crap underneath the hood here and there. It looks like it sat for a while. Nothing really to be concerned about. It doesn't look like it was there long enough to collect moisture or cause any rust. I haven't seen a lot of rust on the car in general. It looks pretty good from what I've seen. I haven't had any issues or anything I need to worry about. It looks like there was some body work done, but nothing that really concerns me. She does have a few quirks, like the trunk doesn't actually latch. You just kind of pop it up. It looks like it was in some kind of accident, probably rear-ended. You can see some dents in here. At least you could if I would illuminate the area here. Now, I know Miatas have been project cars for a lot of people for a long time, but I don't mind being late to the party. This car is pretty awesome. We're going to clean up the interior and fix a few of the quirks like the weird trunk lid in the back, but I mean, I was buying a project. I wasn't expecting to get a completed machine. This whole thing really did feel right. We bought it on Ted's birthday with the money that we got for selling the Mercedes he left us, and the name really does fit. The whole time I was driving home, I was praying to the car gods for that differential to hold together. We made it 70 miles without that thing breaking, and I could even feel the shifter wobbling as a result. But she made it home, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun with this car. Oh, and I freaking love the pop-up headlights. Do it again. As always, everyone, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on the Miata. In the meantime, good luck, have fun, drive safe, all that good stuff.